Good afternoon. Welcome back to Lynette's Beauty Box and the saga of my ever thinning hair. So today I thought I would just throw on one of my cute new little makeup headbands to, mask the ever-growing baldness caused from my surgery. And I have just realized how frightening I look without eyebrows. So I'm going to go get some eyebrows and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So the brow that I use is Smashbox's Brow Tech to Go. And I really enjoy the little tip. I have several that I like to use. But I was putting it on and I think that it is expired. I really can't tell because the writing's rubbed off. I don't remember when I bought this, but it smells like a crayon. And it is a crayon, but it never smelled like that. So I guess I will be replacing that very soon. So if you haven't figured out by the title, this is a Boxycharm unboxing. And this isn't just any old Boxycharm unboxing. This is a Boxycharm Premium unboxing. I finally got off the wait list. I am so excited. Thank you to Marty who paid for my subscription so I could get off the wait list. Yay. So this is what it looks like. I did go ahead and peek in the box to see what kind of makeup products I got this month. When you open it up, looks like that. Pretty blue, huh? Okay, and it was a heavy box. Remember how much, let's see if I can see what it said it weighed. No, it didn't say. But I'm just trying to figure out why Boxycharm is now FedExing all their stuff. I mean, I'm not mad at it. So this month's theme, I believe, is called Adore. All right, so you open it up and it's got this pretty blue, I don't know what kind of foam that's called, but it looks like, from what I'm looking at, I only see like 2 makeup products, sort of makeup products. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to grab this tube here. Let's see. This is a good sized tube. This is 7.95 flow ounces, and it's from Corez. And it is their Lavender Blossom Body Butter. And this is made in Greece. And said it's a natural product. I don't know what classifies. Oh, well, you can definitely pick up the lavender hint. And the nice thick butter. It feels really good on the skin. Since I am dry as the Sahara, this is really going to come in handy. So, let's see what it says about this. Okay, this retails for $32. Wow. That's almost as much as I paid for my Josie Moran body butter. I'll show you. I believe I paid like $38 for this tub, and this has 8 ounces. The whipped argan oil body butter. So this is a really good value. It's almost 8 ounces. It says Korres body butter. This rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our shea butter moisturizer is the perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. $32. That's almost what I paid for the box. Okay, the next little goodie I see in here is from Tarte. And this is called the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer in their Double Duty Beauty line. Try to say that fast. So the packaging is pretty. It is 1.014 fluid ounces, made in Korea, but distributed by Tarte USA. So, oh, okay, here's the thing. So it feels really good on the back of my hand, but if you do not like the smell of coconut, stay far away from this product because it has a very strong hint, not a hint, a very strong smell of coconut. Let's see. This retails for $30. Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. FYI, what is with the long names? I mean, come on, really. Okay. Mama had to run off because she had a runny nose. Okay, it says, prep yourself before you perfect yourself. All right. Turn up the base with this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for up to 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smooth skin's appearance. Yep, and it's still smelling like coconut. Just a little side note. Back about a year ago, I was like so enamored by Physicians Formula's butter bronzers and butter blushes. But when I bought them, the smell was overwhelming to my senses, and it like literally gave me a physical reaction of nausea and what comes with that. So I had to give my butter bronzer, my butter blush, my butter highlight away that I had just bought because I could not take the smell. It's that fake coconut smell. Just can't do it. Can't do it. So we'll see if I'm able to hang with that. If not, I'm just going to have to get rid of it. Okay, I digress. The next thing is from Glow Recipe, and is their Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I've been loving on some Glow Recipe lately. Can't talk. But they came out with like a banana souffle moisturizer that I am dying to try. I got a little sample from Sephora and it is so good. So when you get it, it looks separated. You just have to shake it up. I only know this because I saw someone talking about the Glow Recipe Mist. And then it has a good tight lid on it. And then, let's see here. FYI, don't spray this while your mouth's open. Has a nice spray. And it definitely smells like watermelon, which I love. I might not be like a big fan of watermelon candy like Jolly Ranchers, but I love the smell of watermelon. I love eating watermelon. I just didn't think I would like it in my face products, but I mean, I like it. And see, a lot of times when, and this does have some type of oil in it, which is why it separates. And all the products that I've received that have had oil in them like that, I've gotten rid of because they left me looking like a greasy mess. But actually, this doesn't. And I just realized I have not turned on my lights. Oh, and side note, I've gotten some new studio lights, and which does not include, lamps. So I'll be really excited to try those out. I just haven't done anything with them yet. And this retails for $28. And this is 2.53 fluid ounces or 75 mLs. So not a bad size. I just wonder if this is actually the full size of it or if there's a bigger one. I will have to investigate that. Okay. The next thing is this big boy right here from a brand I've never heard of. Fascia. I'm not even going to try. But it's a 24 karat gold foiled moisturizer. Okay. Ooh. This has got some gorgeous packaging. It's a glass container. Very shiny. Hello. It's got gold-like flecks throughout it. It looks kind of like a gel. I'm trying to pull the top off. Oh, it looks like a gel because it is. A gel moisturizer? It's literally a gel. Even if I don't like it, it's going to look really pretty sitting on the counter. You see that? That gel? Okay. All right. Let's see what the old sheet has to say. Fascia Skincare 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. The 24 karat gold foil moisturizer cream, it's not a cream, it's a gel, crazy people, helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming. Oh, we all like that. Tightening and locking moisture into the skin. Oh my gosh! $100? This is $100. Are you kidding me right now? $100. That is insane. What is this? Maybe I shouldn't have threw the box. I don't know how many ounces it is. It says it's 50 grams. Anyway, how crazy is that? Okay, the next thing is the one makeup product in the box. This is from Hourglass. It's the Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Diffused Heat. Now, these retail for $40. Very shiny, glittery packaging. And then this is what it looks like. And let's see what it looks like on the cheeks. This is a very pretty, subtle blush for me, you know, because I really like a more pinkier blush, mainly because I'm so pale that every time I turn around, I look like I'm a ghost. And then it says here, Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines the customized lighting effects of the ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtaking modern hues. The result is seamless, soft focus, and multi-dimensional color. Okay, I get it. Soft focus. Okay. All right. I feel you. I feel you. So this one product cost more than the box. The box was $35. And then the last, I waited for the biggest product in the box to last. And that would be this. This is from Sutra Beauty. And it is a ceramic flat iron with infused magnetic plate. It says it heats up to 450 degrees, 100% solid ceramic magnetized plates, floating plates to customize style, temperature control, dual voltage, and a 360 degrees swivel cord. Right. So it looks like this, which it looks like. Really pretty blue. right now, I'm going to take the, what do you call it, the twist ties or whatnot off, because it says that you can change the heat settings. Has a nice round cord. That cord. I'm going to plug it into my desk, so give me just a minute. Okay, when you look at this piece right here, has a dial that goes from 450 degrees to 140 degrees. And then when you go to turn it on, there's just like a little flicky switch. I really don't know. Oh, and it heats up really fast. Because I just touched the side of it and it's super, super hot. So we're going to check this out in just a second. So I do have a code. If you're interested in anything from Sutra Beauty, I have a code. You go to sutrabeauty.com and you can get 25% off. Use Boxy25. And they have curling irons, blow dryers, obviously flat irons, different styling ones. They even have a vapor infused iron. So, and then, you know, stuff for the hair like serums and all that jazz. But that's all fine and dandy, but let's see how much this little booger costs. Generally, I find that if it's a hair tool and it's in Boxycharm box, it's usually, you know, more than 20 bucks. So it says the Sutra Beauty ceramic flat iron. This magnetized ceramic plates deliver consistent heat along the entire length of the plates for silky, smooth, and the finest results. The ceramic plate iron generates negative ions to combat the dryness and frizz created by the positive ions in the air and hair. Oh my. And this flat iron, which is full size, retails for $79.99. So I don't know how hot you're supposed to do for hair. I was trying to see if they have any instructions in the product information. And let's see. I'm not seeing anything. The safety and warranty card. And this one just shows other products, hair products that they have. So, I mean, I used a chi iron for years and years, and it only had one heat setting. So, like, my hair is kind of messed up, but let's pull this makeup headband off. That, you know, it's the how well it does. I so need to get my hair colored, but with it falling out, I don't know. Okay, well, it might need to go up a little higher than maybe 325. Let's boost it up. And let's ask Siri, shall we? Hey Siri, when using a flat iron, what temperature should you set it?
Okay, I found this on the web for when using a flat iron, what temperature should you set it? Check it out.
Okay, let's see what it says. Well, I'm looking. I'll be right back. Okay, this is Information Sunday for anyone who flat irons their hair. I'm sorry about my hair. It looks just horrible. Anyway, it says if your hair is fine and damaged or color treated, you should flat iron it below 300. Normal hair can be ironed at 300 to 380, and thick, coarse, or extra curly hair at 450 to 400. And of course, always use a heat protectant. So let's try this again. But I honestly, I don't know. Oh, okay. I just wanted to see and show you guys if this was actually worth it. And from what I'm looking at, it is. Although I really need to color my hair. But I'm kind of afraid to color my hair because of all of the my hair falling out. But, I mean, honestly, what's the worst that could happen? I mean, it could all fall out. But generally, I mean, I don't think you can see it that much. But I do have a lot of new growth, which when I have my hair up in a ponytail, I have like little spikies all over the place. New growth, new growth. But so I am so happy that I got this because I had my Chi iron and Marty got me for probably 10 years and it still worked great. I just happened to step on it and it broke in half. So that's why I was wanting to get a new straightener. And actually, I almost bought a new one like a week ago. I was in TJ Maxx or Marshalls, someplace like that, and I was really looking hard at them. But then I was like, no, it's like I can't afford it right now. And then look what showed up at my door, and in blue. It would have been better if it was pink or purple, but I am not one to look a gift horse in the mouth. Oh no, no I am not. especially when I paid so little for this box and got such an incredible value. You have to excuse me while I pull my ratchet ass hair. My hair looks like it's oily all the time. Because this stupid hair loss. Oh, and if there's anyone who doesn't know what I'm talking about, I had gastric bypass surgery September 27th. And apparently, it is quite common for people who've had gastric bypass surgery between the months of like 2 months post-op and 6 months post-op for their hair to start falling out. So this I did not know. I would have loved to know that. Just to have it in my information bank, you know. So yes, I have been a little obsessive about my hair falling out, mainly because I've always had really thick, full hair, and I didn't notice it at first, and then all of a sudden, well, I've got a receding hairline, and you can see my scalp all over the place. Anyway, I digress. So, for all of you who don't know, I should have told you this beginning, but Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service with beauty and makeup and beauty items. Their regular Boxycharm box is $25 a month, and you get 5 products in the box with the ability to customize one. The Boxycharm Premium, which is what I just showed you, is $35 a month, and you get 6 to 7 full-size products for $35 a month, and it also comes monthly. They also have a quarterly upgrade, and that is Boxylux, and it is $49.99 every 3 months. So next month will be a Boxylux month, and that has 8 to 10 full-size items in it and a retail of over $300. The base box, which is box number 1, is usually a retail of $125 at least, and then the premium is, I think, a retail of $176 unless it's an all one brand box, which the premium next month will be all Fenty Beauty. So I'm really looking forward to that. Although I do have one item that's in that box already, which I will be doing a giveaway with. So, thank you for checking out the video today. Happy Sunday. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit that subscribe button. Just join our little clan of makeup lovers. And hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload something informational, crazy, fun, crazy, or informative. I like that. Okay. So Mad love to you all, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.